Good afternoon. We are the Rational Fours, and we are going to be presenting today on how to support productive struggle in learning mathematics. Our group members are Ashley Miranda, Chelsea Vanderville, Kelsey Stiegel, and Carrie LeSueur. Let's begin. Why support productive struggle in learning mathematics? Here's the purpose. When learning mathematics, we want our students to stray away from routine application thinking and become the highly creative math problem solvers we know they can be. The more we support productive struggle during mathematical learning, the more our students build the confidence, gain the experience, and develop a deeper understanding of mathematics. How can teachers support the productive struggle? While there are many ways a teacher can support the productive struggle, it is important to keep your particular students in mind. Finding what will spark their curiosity is one way to get students interested in the learning process. It is important to prepare students for the task ahead, letting them know they will struggle and they will make mistakes. If we create a classroom environment where mistakes are okay, this struggle will feel more like an experimentation than a frustration. Reminding students that growth comes from their struggle will foster a love of learning and comfort in the process of learning, rather than a fear of failure. Productive struggle can be applied to your everyday lesson plans. From the start, you can support your students by preparing the materials you will be using for that specific lesson and setting goals for your students individually. During the lesson, you want to observe your students and track their progress. Grouping students will support productive struggle by having them be more open to creative ways of thinking and will assist them with their struggles as they work together. At the end of the lesson, you will know if your students have reached the set goals you established in the beginning by using great questioning techniques to acquire how the students solve the problem. What is the student's role in the productive struggle? When students are involved in productive struggle while learning, they are engaging with the mathematical situation, either independently or with their classmates. Their work time is when the students get to apply what they have been taught by the teacher and practice the methods to gain understanding. This is their chance to try a new method and get creative to find the solution. This could appear in a variety of ways. Students using blocks to solve a 3-digit addition problem to decipher place value, or students working in groups and collaborating on how to solve the problem. How can we support productive struggle in learning mathematics from the teacher's side and the student's side? What are teachers and students doing through the struggle? Teachers are anticipating and preparing to support the students' individual needs. They are asking questions that scaffold their thinking. They are facilitating discussions on mistakes and misconceptions. They are praising the students for their best efforts and their perseverance throughout. Students are learning that breakthrough comes after struggle. They are asking relevant questions to help them progress and solve. They are persevering and learning to ask for help and how to ask for help while not simply giving up. They are all working together with their fellow classmates to teach and to learn. So why should this be important to educators? Productive struggle teaches students goal setting, perseverance, knowing how and when to ask for help, creative problem solving, and helps them to develop a love of learning. These are important mathematics skills, but also life skills that they will carry with them throughout their entire life. Never underestimate the power of a great educator. Students are going to have a more well-rounded education thanks to you allowing them to productively struggle. Thank you so much for watching our presentation. Again, we are the Rational Fours, and this is our presentation on productive struggle in the classroom. Thank you.